marvels. I see titans and some troubles that everybody has to face, that no one really can erase, and they hide away from it.
I can buy it for you.
Really? Oh, really? We can.
Shit, all right. Yeah, money's worth. What is up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Winning Without Borders with me, Kenny Wynn. Today we are in Vung Tau. It is actually a beach city. We got in late last night. We took a van, about 10 of us, and now we are here today. A little bit tired because we've been drinking until like 3 a.m. in the morning. But today it's a super nice day, clear skies, very sunny, very hot, and we have the beach that we're gonna go to right now. So yeah, join us in the Vung Tau adventures. Yes! So right now we're gonna get some beers. I think we are about a mile and a half away from the center of the city. So we're gonna just show you around town. Of course Jake gets stopped.
No meatloaf between these buns. I knew you couldn't resist my shit. I got the shakes that'll make you quake. I got the fries that'll cross your eyes. I got the burgers that'll... I just got burgers.
Oh yeah. I am his bank for today. Thank you. I have better rates than Saigon Bank, right? So I want you guys to know that.
Oh yeah, those are really good. How
Ooh, they're Ray-Bans.
Dope. Dope.
Nope.
Dope.
Good?
Yes.
Nope.
Dope. Very good.
How much?
Laura's really good at Vietnamese. I've known that ever since day one. How are you? At home. How are you? So adorable guys. We stopped at a family-owned supermarket, from bag of chips to like Sprites to sodas to beer to your buggy. So it has everything. Also, I think towels and all the beach necessities and whatnot.
Why did you not give me one? Come back. No, we're leaving. They charge too much here. They have my teacher. Honey, air mine. Well, we can definitely use the bag.
So this right here, it's sweet tofu, and they put like ginger and stuff as well. So very good, refreshing meal, or refreshing snack, I would say. Doing good? Good? What happened? Hey, what's good? It's coconut. Coconut? Beer. I'll go with the beer. Beer and coconut. That was a good one. Get him out of here. Oh no, oh no, my backpack. No, my backpack. All right.
Oh, your bag.
It's okay, yeah. Laura, how's the water?
It is lovely and pretty warm.
It is pretty warm. Huh? Beer? As you can see right behind me, the tides are coming in pretty quick right now. Initially, we had our table and just like our campsite a few feet up here. But over the last hour and a half, we had to move several feet back. Look at all this water. Oh, wow. Look at all that. Yeah.
Oh, chump.
If you guys need Vietnamese lessons, Jake's the guy to go to, all right?
I know my numbers.
He knows his numbers.
And I know how to say go away.
So, if my Vietnamese is correct, we're heading down a street called Khu Pho Văn Hoa. What's that? I don't know.
It's crab. Crab and shrimp.
Vietnamese viewers, I can read a little bit of Vietnamese. I'm not proficient in it, but enough to get by. A Vietnamese soup called canh chua, which means sweet and sour.
How do you?
Everybody's happy. Holy crap.
Thing is huge.
Yeah, does anyone fucking care about 30K? No. Just give it as a tip. Who fucking cares?
This took us about 5 minutes to count.
No one can
No one can do
do math.
math. Watch. Let's watch her. It'll take her a few seconds to. All right, we are finished with dinner. Right now, we are going to Sydney.
Some bar.
We're going to the bar.
So, Vitamin C2 Beer Club. Looks like the party's already kicking off inside. This is like a weird. What?
I refuse.
You said that. Let's go.
I thought it was a beer hangout.
I made the rules. I made this game. I am the rules.
Really? Good job, Jake.
Can you put this in my little bucket?
This one up here. We are eating brunch at OMG Pizza. I'm guessing this is another Italian restaurant. After we're finished, we're probably gonna go up to the Jesus Christ statue or just go sightseeing around Vung Tau. There's no A1. Oh.
Regret not getting bacon now.
Hey.
The bubble. Me.
What's taking you so long?
Okay. That is hilarious. Yo trả tiền giờ sao anh? Initially I was gonna fly the drone, but I think the security guard told me to put the drone down. He didn't give me an explanation, I didn't ask. Oh shit, okay. Wow, look at this viewpoint. Wow, look at this. Yeah, view is dope. Yeah. Terrible situation everywhere you go in Saigon. People just litter and litter and litter.
Of the sunset.
My card's on the ground, and that makes
Dude,
sense.
does your card still work?
Yeah.
Like nobody else's credit cards work on Grab now.
Mine just works.
And now it's working.
Alright, now we're at the dock. I think we're gonna board in about 30 minutes to head back to Saigon. This weekend trip has been fun. We had a nice relaxing time to just chill at the beach and whatnot, but the good things have to come to an end.
Thanks for organizing this time.
No problem. Next time,
I'll organize Bali.
Ferry is going to be about, I think, a 2.5-hour ride back to Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon. People say it's very scenic, and I'm going to try to fly my drone. Hopefully no one tells me to put it away this time. Welcome back to Saigon. Alright, after a 2-hour boat ride, we are back in Ho Chi Minh City. Man, what a wonderful trip. It was nice, but very short as every weekend here. But yeah, it's nice to get away. But now me and Jake, we're gonna go eat some Mexican food. I hope you guys enjoyed the Vung Tau vlog from me and all my friends. Good night from Ho Chi Minh City. Oh wait, I forgot to do it. If you guys like the vlog, give me a thumbs up. If you like my page, subscribe. Tell me what else you would like to see. Like I always say, I love doing videos, but I'm running out of ideas, so please comment down below and tell me what you think about this vlog. Well, that's all I have to say. Well, I hope you guys have a nice Sunday. I know we did. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you back here on another episode of Winning Without Borders. Bye-bye, guys.